How to change settings on Twitter or X for sensitive content. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the website of Twitter. Once you're over there, provide your credentials and log into your account in the web browser. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this page. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Now head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Navigate to the option Privacy and Safety. Now head over to the option Content You See. From here, you can easily change settings on X or Twitter for sensitive content. You can enable for the option Display media that may contain sensitive content, or also you can disable it. Next up, click on the option Search Settings. From here as well, you can easily customize the setting for X for sensitive content. Disable or enable for the option Hide sensitive content. So, this is how you can easily change settings on Twitter or X for sensitive content. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.